How to do product hunting using Helium 10. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can search for products to sell on Amazon and get your dropshipping business or whatever kind of Amazon business started using Helium 10. So let's get into it. First off, you're going to log into Helium 10, and on the top you're going to see your tools. You're going to take a look at product research, and you're going to click on the black box, which is a Amazon product research. Now, as you can see over here, you can search for products, keywords, competitors, niches, or specific product targeting. So I'm going to search for keywords. And now over here, you're going to add your search volume, your monthly revenue, your price, your review count, your review rating, and your word count. And you can also add advanced filters such as specific categories you might want it to be from, exclude certain keywords, your shipping tier size, the monthly sales units, or bestseller ranking, age, fulfillment, best sales period, and other deeper filters. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys how you're going to filter them out via the search volume and monthly revenue. So over here, I have added the search volume as 2000. What is the search volume? It is the number of searches that people have made for this in the past 30 days. And next up, you have your monthly revenue, so the average revenue for the top products in this category in the past 30 days. The price, so I want my product to be around the $12 to $26 range. Next up, you have the review count, and these days people have a lot of reviews, so 400 is not that bad. Usually the top selling products have reviews in the thousands. And in the advanced filters, you can see I've added in competitor revenue more than 5,000 and 3 maximum. What does that mean? That actually means that the 3 top sellers will have more than $5,000 in revenue per month, and the competitor reviews means, which I've selected as less than 150 and maximum of 5. So 5 of the competitors will have at least less than 150 reviews. So now you're going to search. So now you're going to scroll down and take a look at the phrases that have come up. So you're going to have an eye out for anything that is unique, that is different. You're just going to scroll down. The Led Zeppelin t-shirt, that seems a bit different, and the price is around $24, and the monthly revenue is estimated at $5,000. But it does seem to have a lot of reviews, and using the actions, you can actually view this on Amazon. So once you take a look at Amazon, you're actually going to see what kind of competitiveness is present over here. And you can see that there is a lot of competitiveness. There are a lot of listings that have very high reviews and they are all priced pretty competitively. So you might not want to enter into something that is already pretty saturated. You're going to continue looking down. And considering the current stage of the world, rapid COVID tests are also a very large keyword search, and you're going to view this on Amazon. And these are pretty pharmaceutical regulated areas, so you might want to stay away from that. You're going to keep on looking and just take your time with this and make sure to actually view all of the results that are present. I'm going to take a look at Spider-Man, present in toys. You can see here that figurines are selling for a very different price point. Some are selling for $50, some are selling for $17, $14, and this might be a actual good market for you to enter in, because there is a variability and you have a kind of easy market, because children's markets are usually easier to compete in because children are rather gullible. So if your marketing and advertisement campaign is good enough, you might easily be able to scrunch up a lot of revenue in these products. And now, taking another glance at these products, I actually came across this Animal Crossing Ambio card. So this is something that really popped out compared to the rest of the items present. And what you're going to do is you're also going to view this on Amazon. Now, how do you get a good estimate if this is a good product for you to invest in? Well, take a look at the reviews. Even the highest rated reviews are in the 300, so there is not a lot of competition in this market, and that is great because even the highest competitor has around 330 reviews, and there are a lot of different listings for them on variable prices and with very little reviews. So what you're gonna do is take a look at the magnet. So you're gonna run magnet over here, and it is going to land you on this page, and you're gonna scroll down, and here you can see a very detailed list. So this list shows you the search volumes for this particular keyword, also the search volume trend, the sponsored ASINs, the competing products, the CRP, so the estimated number of units that need to be sold over a week resulting from a search of a keyword in order for that product to actually rank in higher keywording. And next up, you can see the title density for these products is 0. So these products don't have those extensive titles as you could probably see on AliExpress and other kind of Chinese retailers. So that is a good sign that they're not all drop shipped from AliExpress. So what you're going to do now, once you've selected a specific product that has piqued your interest, you're going to scroll to its bottom, you're going to see the product information, and you're going to see this ASIN number. So you're going to copy this number, go back to Helium 10, you're going to click on Tools, and you're going to see Keyword Research. Below that, you will see Cerebro. Click on that, and you will be greeted with this page. Over here, you're going to enter that ASIN number. So I've already done that, and you're going to click on Get Keywords. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down, and you can see over here that you get a lot of suggested keywords. So for these Ambio cards, the top keyword is Animal Crossing Ambio cards, and to actually list for this keyword, you only need to make around 59 sales per day, which is very great. Also, the second highest keyword, these aren't listed in any order, so I'm just gonna list them as IQs. Oh, it's not letting me list in that fashion, but as you can see over here, this search volume is also going up previously, and you only need to have 8 sales per week to get a higher ranking on this keyword. You can see for this keyword, it has a search volume of 1100, and you only need to be selling 26 products per week to get this, to get your listing on a higher number on this keyword. So opt for keywords that you don't need a high CRP for. So like this keyword is Ambio cards, Animal Crossing. You can see just Ambio cards is also a pretty good keyword to use. And just keep your eyes open for these little numbers and little tweaks that will actually really help your product to get user interaction and organic user sales. So this is how you product hunt using Helium 10, and also how you find accurate keywords for your product, which will actually get you started up with your business, and which will actually get a user interaction, organic user interaction using these specific keywords. So that was it for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.